Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to open WhatsApp on Windows 11. So firstly open this Microsoft Store. Now here search WhatsApp and open the WhatsApp. Now download and install WhatsApp, then open it. Click on get started. Now to set up WhatsApp on your computer, you have to follow these three steps. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap these three dot or settings and select linked devices. Tap link a device and point your phone to this screen to capture this code. Another way, link with phone number. Click here, select your country and enter your phone number. You will get the link there. So these are two steps you can follow. So this way you can open WhatsApp on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.